Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a tour on the Majestic Princess, room M130, so the medallion class. Come on in. As you enter the room on the left-hand side, you will see that there is a bathroom. The bathroom's got a small toilet area, mirror area, and a shower that's over on the left-hand side. And it's just got a curtain there for that shower. And that's really it for the bathroom. It's nice and cozy and tight, just like you would expect in a ship cruise room. So then, as you come back out, you'll notice that you have a fairly large size, I wouldn't say walk-in closet, but hey, it'd be what it is. You got plenty of storage room up here. You have plenty of hangers here. You have a nice little cold area where you can stack some different things, socks and bags and that sort of stuff for it. It's got a safe, of course, like every room does. So that's really kind of a nice area to have all your storage and things like that. You have a large mirror over here, so when you're getting ready for those nice dinners, you have a large mirror to see how you're doing. Then as you walk in, this is a room for 4. So you have 2 twin beds. You can obviously push them together to be more cozy. You can do that. There's storage underneath the beds, which you're gonna need for your luggage and that sort of thing. It's got a nice TV on the wall here, so that's nice for it as well. Then this pulls out, makes another basically twin size bed for your 3rd guest. And this comes down out of the ceiling for your 4th guest. So it's gonna be a little cozy and tight in here, but at the same time, you're not going to spend a lot of time in your cruise ship room. Hopefully you're out doing a bunch of activities and fun things. Then you have a nice little desk here. You have a little table if you want to sit and that sort of thing. Then I think this opens up and you have a little refrigerator area, so you can put a couple little drinks in there and that sort of thing, so you can store some stuff in there. Then you have a hair dryer, which is in here, a little drawer, little desk area in case you need to get a few things done while you're on your vacation. Hopefully you don't. Then the last thing, you walk out, it's got a small deck area with 2 chairs and a little table, so you can see the beautiful view. We are on the 15th floor, so your view is really super duper high. So if you're afraid of heights, probably don't want to look over that edge again. So this is it. That's it. Like I said, we are on the Majestic Princess cruise ship. We will give you more videos as we go along, but we wanted to show you our stateroom, which is M130. So thanks for watching. This is the cruise ship for the Majestic Princess M130. It's on the 15th floor, and it's a medallion class. Don't forget to subscribe. Super thanks, always welcome, and we'll see you in the next video.